Dive into the All-Seeing Eye, Understanding Third-Person Omniscient POV. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deep into the fascinating world of creative writing. One of the most intriguing elements is the point of view. Specifically, we'll unravel the mysteries of the third-person omniscient point of view. Stick around to learn about its advantages and disadvantages and how it can make your storytelling richer. In the third-person omniscient point of view, the narrator knows everything about the characters, their thoughts, feelings, and external events. It's like having an all-seeing eye. This narrator is not a character in the story but an external entity that knows everything. There are several reasons why writers might choose this perspective. 1. Comprehensive understanding. This point of view allows readers to understand the feelings, thoughts, and actions of multiple characters. This provides a holistic view of the story. 2. Flexibility in storytelling. With this point of view, a writer can smoothly transition between various settings, times, and characters. It's excellent for epic tales spanning different worlds or eras. 3. Dramatic irony. Since the reader knows more than the characters, it can create tension and excitement. The reader might know a secret that the protagonist doesn't, adding layers of intrigue. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. There are challenges tied to this perspective. 1. Overwhelming information. The sheer amount of information can be overwhelming for readers. They might struggle to connect deeply with any single character. 2. Risk of head hopping. Shifting quickly between characters' thoughts can confuse readers. It's called head hopping, and it can be jarring if not done carefully. 3. Lack of intimacy. This point of view can sometimes distance readers from characters. Unlike first-person or third-person limited, where readers can get into a character's head, the omniscient POV can feel a bit detached. So there you have it, folks. The third-person omniscient point of view is a powerful tool in the writer's arsenal, brimming with potential, but it also comes with its set of challenges. Whether you're an aspiring writer or an avid reader, understanding these nuances can elevate your storytelling and reading experience. Hope you found this video enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language.